Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm gonna show you 6 useful websites that are incredible and great in 2025. So here are the useful websites that are incredibly great in 2025. So one of them is 10 minutes more. 10 minutes more provides a temporary email address to avoid spam and protect your privacy. So if you're the kind of person that love to create multiple accounts and you really want to keep your email private for personal use without exposing your email to all these spam websites, you can just easily do that. And also fake name generator, you can create a new identity for fun or testing purpose. So you can use this website as well, which is fake name generator. You can also use Million Adventure Machine, which allows you to create an electronic beat track and keys. You can also use Camel, which is a track Amazon price history and send alert for price drop. You can also use this as well. You can also use Hacker Taper, which simulates hacking by showing the predefined code as you type. You can also use this as well, which is done for everyone or just me. This is also a website that check if a website is done for everyone or just for you. So this website offers a range of features to enhance your online experience and make your digital life easier. Give them a try and see which ones works best for you. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.